Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the gentleman I'm trying to help is still having trouble with this. And I don't totally understand why this is like this. The brown inside the line, and you can't put an outline around it, and it's kind of grouped together. So let's do this. Let's go to Object and convert the outline to an object. And now that white is separated from the brown. So the only way to get an outline, or not the only way, would be able to, let's see how big this thing is. It's 10 inches big. Let's make our nudge factor 11. What I would do safely is take a rectangle and Smart Fill tool. I'm going to make it on this light blue, and then I'm going to nudge that out of the way, and I'm going to left click, right click, and make sure that's a hairline. Go to Object, break the curve apart, and then take that interior one and just nudge it back over. Now you definitely have a cut line around the white border. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.